श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्ताम् सदा हृदि स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
श्रीमत्कृष्ण समाह्वाय नमो यामुनसूनवे यत्कटाक्ष एकलक्ष्याणां सुलभः श्रीधरः सदा नमः यामुन पाद अब्ज रेणुभिः पावित आत्मने विदित अखिल वेद्याय गुरवे विदित आत्मने नमः अचिन्त्य अद्भुत अक्लिष्ट ज्ञान वैराग्य राशये नाथाय मुनये अगाध भगवत भक्ति सिंधवे
स्ववैश्वरूपेण सदानुभूतयापि अपूर्ववद्विस्मयमादधानया गुणेन रूपेण विलासचेष्टितैः सदा तवैवोचितया तव श्रिया
Keshavadar Swami, you said 38, 39 and 40.
Do you want to see those as well? Well, there's only one English translation, but here's 39.
Kaya sahasina mananta bhogi prakrishta vijnana malaika dhamani pranamanitrata mayukha mandala prakasha manodara divya dhamani. 40.
Nivasa shayyasana
padukam chiko padana varsha atapa varanaditi sharira bhede stavashesha samgatiki yathochitam shesha iti jate. Now the 40 will be different from 38 and 39, and we have been seeing 36, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39 will be in one cluster. So that will be our taking the meaning together of 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. Of course, the verb comes later. The main sentence verb comes later. So you have Svavaishwarupyena Sadanubhutaya Api Apurvavat Vismayam Adadhanaya Gunena Rupena Vilasa Chestitaihi Sada Tava Eva Uchitaya Tava Shriya.
Who art seated with Shri, who by her attributes, beauty, agreeable sports, and merciful deeds is ever a match for thee, and thee alone, and who creates unprecedented delight for thee as one separate, though she is eternally comprehended in thine.
Thank you.
So, shall I continue reading all?
Yeah. Continue. Please continue.
In thine own, and the great serpent Ananta, who is the sole seat of excellent knowledge and strength within the divine abode Vaikuntha, the inside of which is illuminated by the circle of rays emanating from the clustered gems of his hoods, and who is aptly designated by devotees as Sesha, on account of the different forms for serving you, such as residence, couch, seat, sandals, raiments, pidambaram, pillow, and shelter from the sun and rain.
So who are treated with Sri? Shriya with Sri, with the goddess of fortune, with Mahalakshmi. Tava, the word Tava is missing here, with your Sri. Tava is Shriya, with your Sri. Your wealth, yeah, with your, you are. Because this is 2 times it has come. Last quarter you have Tava in 2 times. Sada Tava eva uchitaya Tava Shriya. The stress, the importance is given to the word Tava in 2 times because goddess of fortune belongs to him and belongs to him alone. There is a possessiveness, and also you have as a spouse, as a life partner. This is only a combination of the male and the female principle, which only we can understand practically and clearly. Therefore, we have the husband and wife relationship. So, Tava eva uchitaya. Tava eva, the last English translation, only you alone, you alone. You find at the bottom of the paragraph, so you alone. Uchitaya, fit. Both of them deserve each other. Both of them are made for each other. Sada, ever. They are made for each other forever. All the time. All the past, present and future. Sada. Uchita is ever a match, right? Ever a match for thee. Ever a match for thee. Tavo uchitaya. Very good. Tava eva uchitaya. Tava shriya. And thee alone. And thee alone is a Tava eva. Thee alone. How is she a match? And we are seeing in the first 2 quarters, namely the first half. Swa Vaishwarupyan. I think this has not been given in translation. Eternally comprehended. Okay. She is eternally comprehended. There is more meaning to the word Vaishwarupyana. Now let us split it into small parts. Vishwarupam. Vishwarupam, Vishwa universe, Rupam form. Vishwarupam is universal form. The word universal form, Vishwarupam, as we understand, the Lord, the Almighty, Sriman Narayana, shows to us that He is everything. He is all in all. He is the Antaryami, the inner soul of everything. And the whole creation is His body. And all that which are available in Nitya Vibhuti, Vaikuntham and Lila Vibhuti, the creations, are in Him. That is so He is inclusive of everything. Everything is in Him. So Vaishwarupena. Now this word Vaishwarupena is also attributed to the goddess of Swa Vaishwarupena, along with his own, Swa means O-W-N. So along with his own universal form, her universal form is also attached. There is no doubt that she is always with him. She is associated with him forever. And she also has the universal form, and she also takes part, and she is part and parcel of the Almighty. The whole creation and the Nitya Vibhuti, the Vaikuntham, actually we say that the owner of the property, namely Nitya Vibhuti, is Mahalakshmi. The registration of the place has been done in the name of, the records are in the name of Mahalakshmi. Registration records, the land records. The Vaishya Rupe. So for Nitya Vibhuti also she is the mistress. And for all the worlds also she is the mistress. She is the leader. The Vaishya Rupe. So Vaishya Rupe. Both of them have the same hold, same stake. Both of them have the same stake in both worlds, namely Nitya Vibhuti and Leela Vibhuti. So Sada again ever. Sada again. So the word Vaishya Rupena, though it is given at the end as comprehended in the universal form, eternally comprehended. Eternally comprehended means ever associated in thy own, cosmic form. That is very important. So Vishwarupam is cosmic form. In thine own cosmic form, Swa is OWL. So Swa Vaishwarupena, she is also in the cosmic form. And Sada ever Anubhutaya. Anubhutaya. The Lord experiences her presence in the universal form. Anubhutaya. She has the right, she has the what we call liberty to be with the Lord always, experiencing what he experienced. The experience of rather, for example, creation, sustenance, and dissolution. That is withdrawal. All the three are also the actions of the Lord, Goddess also. Goddess Shri Mahalakshmi also gets involved, gets busy in carrying out the activities of the Lord, namely creation, sustenance, and sustenance will be protection and also the dissolution. So she also has the equal right. That's what we want to say. That is the Vaishnava Sampradaya that Yamunacharya advocates. Sada Anubhutaya. So Sada Anubhutaya api. So even though she is, her experience is common to him also. Apurvavatu Vismayam Adadhana. The only difference between our experience, the individual soul's experience, the devotee's experience, the Nityasuri's experience, the permanent resident of heaven, when I mean heaven, Vaikuntham, such a person's experience, by the basis of that experience, she is wonderful personality. She is more wonderful personality. Lord Almighty Sriman Narayana is himself an awesome, amazing, wonderful, most wonderful personality. But above him, beyond him, better than him, the goddess of fortune is making us surprised, shocked by the present surprise with her activities which are similar, 100% similar to Lord Shivanarayana. But our experience, because of our poor memory, we always get easily, frequently surprised over how she behaved along with him. So Apurvavat. We look at askance at the lady of the Almighty, and we have not, as though we have not experienced it before. Every time the surprise is fresh in our hearts. Apurvavat. Vismayam. Vismayam is the wonder. Vismayam, we begin to smile, and the smile becomes laughter. The laughter knows no bound. So we are happy. We are happy. We are happy to experience the bliss through the goddess of fortune. So Vismayam, Adadhanaya. She is the source for such a happiness. She is the source for such a wonderful experience. A.L. Bhasham, a great author, wrote about India. Wonder that is India. And because of the spirituality attached to the country, he said one wonder that was India. He also wrote another author, what India can teach us. So Vismayam Adadhanaya. She is always making us surprised. So, a feeling of wonder is always in us. A fresh feeling of wonder is on us. Now, how does she do it, or how did she do it? How does she continue to do it? So, Gunena, Rupena, Vilasa, Chestitaihi. So, Gunena, by the quality, by the characteristics, by the innate inborn quality, Gunena. Rupena, by the form. Whenever Lord Sriman Narayana takes incarnations, she also takes incarnations, rather appears. She makes appearances congenial to, favorable to the incarnations like Vibhava Avatar. We starting from Hamsa Avatara, Matsya Avatara, Hayagriva Avatara, Dhanvantari Avatara, Dattatreya Avatara, Kapila Avatara, and all other popular 10 incarnations. Every time she is along with me. So Rupena. The compatibility is so close that in attitude, in habits, and in the physical form, she is always with him. And Vilasa Chestitaihi, third one. Vilasa, gentleness, Vilasa, the gait, G-A-I-T, the way, the style with which she walks, the walking style, that is called Vilasa. So that is gentle style. It's also soft style. So Chestitaihi, Chesta is generally misunderstood as mischief. We say with regard to a monkey, they Korangi Chestai. Chesta is Sanskrit word. Here Chestitaha. So Chestitam. So Chestitaihi, it is not called instrumental case by the activity. So here it is only not mischievous activity, general activity. Of course, as Krishna Avatara, as Krishna's incarnation, Lord is prankful. But whereas here, she is only gentle. So Vilasa Chestitaihi. So gentle activity. So by her gentle activities, she is akin to, similar to the attitude, the beauty, the form of Sri Sriman Narayana. Vilasa Chestitaihi. Sada Savaivochitaya Sada. who are seated with your Sri. That's one. Your Yamunacharya says, Tava. So who by her attribute, Gunena, beauty, Rupena, agreeable sports, Vilasa, Chestitaihi, again merciful deeds, Kripa, Kripa Chestitaihi. Vilasa should be added with Kripa Chestitaihi, merciful deeds. He is ever a match for thee, and thee alone. Tava eva uchitaya, Tava. And who creates unprecedented delight. Unprecedented delight is apurvavat, unexpected, not experienced earlier, not we have not come across before. So unprecedented, unexpected, delight. So vismayam, vismayam is delight. It's actually wonder. So delight for thee. Delight is there may be a high amount of happiness, high quality of happiness. Here it is vismayam is wonder, awesomeness, the delight for thee as one separate. It looks like two people. The couple, the pair, the divine pair, looks like two, but it is one entity. But it's not. I mean, it looks like separated. So one as one separate, though she is eternally comprehended in thine. In thine form, thine own cosmic form. Now we go to the Adishesha description later. Let us take the commentary of this verse 38. And that cannot be combined with Adishesha. Of course, we never consider Goddess of Fortune as one of the servants of the Lord. Her status is very high. Number one. Number two, she is equal in rights, in granting succor, in accepting a devotee by surrender, Saranagati. And she can also give moksha. She can also give emancipation, liberation from the cycle of birth and death, but of course in consultation with the Lord. He also never does it without her consultation, and therefore both of them are agreeable creatures. Both of them are highly compatible creatures. We go to the Padavara. Savaishya Rupena. So Tan Vishwarupa Nilayudan, along with his own cosmic form. Sada, எப்போதும், forever. Anubhutaya api, anubhavikapatta podu. So her company has been enjoyed by him. Every time. Her role has been appreciated by him in every part of his life as incarnate, as incarnate. And Gunena, by the attribute, Gunangalal, Rupena, Vadivalahalam, the figure itself is very handsome. She is beautiful, he is handsome. So Vadivalahalam. Vilasa Chestitaihi, Alagiya Shelhalalam. So Vilasa, I told you, gentle. Tamil says beautiful. So beautiful activity, fine activity. Then Apurvavat, Pudiyadu Bol. Every time you find that something is new. So Vismayam Adadhanaya, Ashcharyati Sarvavara. So she creates surprise. She does wonder. And Sada forever. So before we go to page 96, we will have Periya Tirumali 612.
Swami Periya Tirumali 612 was dealt with in yesterday's verse. It's a footnote from yesterday.
Okay. Do we want to repeat it for the
No, no, it's not. It's not applicable to this verse. It was applicable to the last verse.
Okay. So Param Vyuham Vibhavam Mudaliya Ella Nilehalilum. So that's what we are saying. So, Tava eva uchitaya tava shriya. She is fit. She deserves to be the partner of the Lord because she has joined him in Param as Vasudeva's wife. Again, Vyuha, Sankarshana, Aniruddha, Pradyumna, and Vasudeva. Vibhava, all the incarnations. And I would also add Periyavachan Pillai's words with Antaryami and Archa. In Antaryami also, whenever we think of him in our mind, heart, in whatever form that we imagine the Lord, she will also be along with him. We even in mind, we never separate both of them from each other. So, எல்லா நிலைகளிலும் so தவ ஏவ உச்சித்தையா because she Periyavachan Pillai said முதலிய etc. and see. So எல்லா நிலைகளிலும் தவ ஏவ உச்சித்தையா உனக்கே தகுந்தவளாய் தவஸ்ரீயா உனக்கு செல்வமாய் இருப்பவளான. Already we saw that he is the wealth to her and she is the wealth to him. She is the property to him and he is the property to her. So, Avatarika. Svavaishya Rupyana. இதில் பிராட்டியினுடைய நிரதிசய போக்கியத்தையே உனக்கேற்கும் கோலமல பார்வை என்கிறபடியே அவனுக்கே ஆகிற இருக்கிற இருப்பையும் அனுபவிக்கிறார். The very existence of the goddess of fortune is meant for Lord Sriman Narayana. That is the essence of the Avatarika, and she is also equally relishable with extreme surprise. Niratishaya, Atishaya, wonder. Niratishaya, extreme wonder. Bhogyata is delectability. And she is to be experienced. So her grace must be experienced. Her side glances must be experienced. Her association with every incarnation in different forms will be adored, and that's what we see in Ramayana especially, and also Krishna Avatar. When Rukmini wrote a letter, she says, I am equal to you in all respects. Status, money, education, wealth, life, family, and so on. The holiness of the race, RAC, and so on. So here, Vonakkerkum Kolamalatpave, we are going to see the quotation at the end of the page. So, என்கிறபடியே அவனுக்கே இருக்கிற இருப்பையும் அனுபவிக்கிறார். Yamunacharya feels very happy, surprised in describing this particular verse and commented by the Periyavachan Pillai will understand that the position and the status of Lord Sriman Narayana's experience with goddess of fortune. So, Vyakya. Svavaishya-rupyena sada anubhutayapi. Now, generally, familiarity breeds contempt. That may be a proverb in English, but that doesn't happen here. How is the Lord? He is the Sarva Shaktiman, Sarva Shaktiyana Deva. All powerful person is the Lord, Sarva Shakti. In the universal form, that you will find he occupies the entire world of creation. And, therefore, he is omniscient, omnipotent, and omnipresent. So, Sarva Vigrahattalam, in all the forms of Archavatara, Sarva Kalamam, And all the time, all the time. Today we ask, what is the date of construction of a particular temple like Srirangam, etc. We do not know. When did it come to existence? We say it is during Ramayana time. That is after Rama has been anointed as the head prince of the Ayodhya capital and Kotala kingdom. But we don't know the exact date. So Sarva Kalamu, Sarva Prakarataram, in all methodology, by hook or crook, this lady has been a good experience for the husband. Anbhaviyan என்றாலும் விராட்டியினுடைய போக்கியத்தை பரிச்சேதிக்க போகாது. One can even find the limit of greatness of the Lord, but to understand the limit of greatness of the goddess of fortune is never measurable. And so it is not possible to limit the greatness of the Lord goddess. And she is also sweet to move with. So Saubariயை போலே அநேக விக்கிரகத்தை பரிகிரகித்தாலும் முடியாது. Saubari was a sage who was fond of many Divya Desha vigrahas, and even when he started collecting the 108 figures, the greatness cannot be described by words. 266 Paryayena Prasuptas என்கிறபடியே பிரகாரங்கள் அநேகமானாலும் முடியாது. Try to see where this quotation occurs. And அபூர்வவது விஸ்மய மாததானயா நித்திய அபூர்வம் போலே every time Lord Almighty Sriman Narayana looks fresh in our heart, looks new in our heart. That is why we say nitya apurvam pole. Every time he becomes new. Ascharya avahamayi. It only makes us surprised. All the time, the activities of the Lord are our fascination. Nityasuri, 267, Saha ekadha bhavati, vidha bhavati. He is one at a time, and he is two at a time. Ekadha bhavati, vidha bhavati. The Nityasuri, the permanent resident of heaven, namely Srivaikuntha. Their concentration, the Nityasuri in the heaven, namely Srivaikuntha, Nitya Vibhuti, are concentrating upon the goddess of fortune. They fix their mind on the goddess of fortune. The goddess of fortune also experiences such happiness along with others. So B. பண்டு இவரை கண்டு அறிவது எவ்வூர் என்றும் சி. அப்போதைக்கப்பொழுதன் ஆறாமுதம் என்றும் ஆழ்வார்களும் 113 சதா பஷ்யந்தி. Always look at him. Always look at him. சதா பஷ்யம் என்று நித்திய சூரியனும் நித்திய அபூர்வதையாலே, because every time it is fresh and beautiful. தேவர் திறத்தில் படுவதெல்லாம் தேவர் படும்படி ஆயிற்று. விராட்டி போக்கியத்தில் இருப்பது. புகப்பிப்பது எவ்வழியாது. So the Nitya Suri, the permanent residents of heaven, because of their permanence in living in Vaikuntha, whatever happens to the gods, according to the capacity, the goddess of fortune is enjoyable by the gods on her attitude and habits. What is the method or strategy to please the goddess of fortune? Or how does she appeal to or please the goddess of fortune? So, Gunena Roop Vilyasa Chekitaihi, Lord Sriman Narayana is being attracted by the activities of goddess of fortune, by the qualities, characteristics, then by the form, beautiful form, and by the gentle activity. Vadivarhalum, Sheela the Gunangalam. Among the characters, namely characteristic or character, we have Sheelam. Sheelam is the moral character, is the important quality. Vadivarhalam, the physical beauty is important, and the Sheelam is character. From that only you get the word Saushilya. And Sakriti Tadakara Vilokanataya. Now again there are goddess of fortune wants to see and enjoy the Lord. So Sakriti wants Tadakara, your cosmic form, Vilokana, to see the cosmic form, Ashaya, she is ambitious, she is desirous of visiting the Acharya. So Sakriti Tadakara Vilokanataya, each kindred gunangana. All the characteristics or qualities are attractive. So Thiruvaimazhi 10.10.6, 2.6.6, Periya Thirumazi 8.19 and Thiruvaimazhi 8.18 will support to the ideas in page 90. எனக்கார் அமுதா எனது ஆவியை இன்னுயிரை மணக்காராமி மன்னி உண்டிட்டாய் இனி ஒன்றொழிவாய் உனக்காயா திறத்த பொன்னனி கட்சி செங்கனிவாய் உனக்கேற்கும் கோலமலர்பாவை கண்பா என் அன்பே. So here last part, உனக்கேற்கும் கோலமலர் பாவை. Goddess of fortune is made for Lord Sriman Narayana. She is gentle, Kola, she is gentle, her behavior is very nice. So you have to deserve her and she will deserve you. And that is the very main essence of reputation. My sweet Lord, my life, my soul, you have drunk me insatiably. Now go on drinking. O Kaya hued Lord. Kaya is the name of a flower. It is grey, black in color. So Kaya hued Lord with lotus eyes and coral lips, the perfect match for Notre Dame, oh my love. So we have the next quotation. So Embermanar Gadyatil Bhagavan Narayana Abhimatanuroopa, that is the last sentence in Satyavati Bhayangara Vanangaracharya's commentary of this particular Divya Prabandha author. Unaketkum. So this pair is not opposed to each other, but always congenial people. So we have Vandamarum Manamalai Manimudimel Mananaram Engindalar. Undivarpal Anbenek Kendurgalum Virihilen Engindalar. Pandivare Kandarina Tevuril Yam Endre Pelhindalar. Kandavardam Manam Marangum. Kandavaratamani Kandan Kandan Kollo. It's not Kollo, it's Kollo. So, in order that one has to be congenial, the lady love says, over the head of the Lord, the basil leaves where the bees hover around it to sit on the flower, and they all have a good smell. That's what the lady says. So because of the attachment towards the Lord Almighty, she loves him. The fragrance of the bee humming Tulasi on his golden crown wafts everywhere. She said, then I love him. I can never part from him. I remember having seen him earlier. So she keeps asking, where is it? I wonder if she has been in a lot of Kannapuram, where those who are seeing lose their heart. Tamil சொன்னாங்க மனதை பறி கொடுத்தல், sacrificing one's own, not sacrificing, submitting one's own mind to the Lord. எப்பொழுதும் தானாய் மரகத குன்றமுக்கும் அப்பொழுதை தாமரை பூ கண்பாதம் கமலம். எப்பொழுதும் நான் திங்களாண்டு ஊழி ஒழித்தோறும் அப்பொழுதைக்கு அப்பொழுதன் ஆறாம் அப்பொழுதைக்கு அப்பொழுதன் ஆறாவதமே. The word ஆறாமுதமே refers to the name of the Lord in Kumbakonam. It is called Tirukudandai Divya Desha. So that Aramudam in Tamil means Aparyapta Amritam in Sanskrit. Paryapta is limited, Aparyapta is unlimited. So Aparyapta Amritam, the sweetest personality. So here the beauty of the handsomeness is explained here. So the Lord is himself all, his name, his frame is like a huge dark gem. His eyes and feet and hands are like freshly opened lotus level. Every moment, every day, every month, every year, every age after age, my insatiable ambrosia flows like fresh juice. மணந்த பேராயா மாயத்தால் முழுதும் மல்கனையேனை ஈதுங்க குணங்களை உடையாய் அசுரர் வன் கையற் கூற்றமே கொடிய புல் உயர்த்தாய் பணங்கள் ஆயிரமும் உடைய பைநாகப்பள்ளியால் பார்க்கடல் சேர்ப்பாய் வணங்குமாறு அறிவி மனமும் வாசகமும் செய்கையும் யானும் நீதானும். So we are talking about the all-inclusive universal form, cosmic form of the Lord. we have by magic, by trick, he removed my sin. He removed my sin. முழுதும் வல்வினையனை ஈர்க்கின்ற குணங்களை உடைய குணங்களை உடையாய். That's what we saw as in the works of Yamunacharya. We saw Shilena, sorry, Gunena is equal to Shilena. Asurar one can put away. He was the god of death for the bad demon. Kodiya Pulloyer Thai. So the Bakasura was killed, and a demon in the form of a big peaked Garuda. The Panangal Ayamum Ude, Painaka Palila. But the 1,000 hoods are there in Adishesha, that he serves as the bed. Parkadal Sherpa, the figure of Vyuha in the Milky Ocean. Panangumar Ariyen, Anamum Matagum, Sigim, Yanum. I never used to bow my head to the Lord, but my mind and my words, my activities are all because of you. Everything is you. So my mind, my word, my activity. Therefore, I need not even worship. Oh, my wedding present is the glory that break my sinful heart. O Lord, who rides the fierce Garuda, meeting death to the wicked Asura. O Lord, reclining in the deep ocean on 1,000-hooded serpent, my words and deeds are given unto you, and I know not how to worship. என்கிற குணங்களிலும் உன் செய்கை நைவிக்கும் உன் செய்கை நைவிக்கும் என்கிற சேஷ்டிதங்களிலும் அபியுக்தர் ஆழங்காற்படும்படி இருக்குமே அவன். The devotees will be enjoying the personality of the Lord with his characteristics, activities associated with the goddess of fortune. And இப்படி இவன் சுரூபாதிகளிலே அழுந்துகிறான். He gets drowned in the natural similar qualities of the goddess. அவன் சுரூபத்திலே அபரிச்சன்னன். In the original form, he has no limit. இவள் போகியத்தையாலே அபரிச்சன்னன். In case of the enjoyability, goddess of fortune is unlimited. You cannot contain her. So, Sada Tavai Vochitaya. Avishi 268. Tulya Sheela Vayo Vritta. So this is what Rukmini said in her letter. So Tulya equal, Sheela character, Vayaha age, Vrittam the job. So we asked, what does the girl work for? Tulya Sheela Vayo Vritta. Both of them are common to each other. In good character, moral character, the age, the difference of age is very little, and the activities are always similar. B. உனக்கேற்கும் கோலமலர் பாவை ஜஸ்தவீசா என்றும் சொல்லுகிறபடியே தேவர் தமக்கு தகுதியாய் இருக்குமோ. Already we thought she deserves him and he deserves her. She is fitting him, fitting herself in him. Sada என்று பரவியூக விபக ரூபேண உண்டான சர்வாவஸ்தைகளிலும் என்கிறது. The word sada, which means ever, always, here indicates that in all the conditions of the status of the 10 individuals and also other individuals, so she is in similarity. She deserves him. Paravayuga Vibhava Rupena Undana Sarvavasthagal. In all these statuses, including these three. Paravayuga Vibhava. Gunena Rupena Vilasa Chestitaihi Sada Tavi Vochitaya Enoma. So Tavasya 269 Vishnoho Shri. She belongs to Vishnu. Goddess of fortune belongs to only Vishnu. என்றும் முன் திரு என்பதே Tavashriya, she is your property, she is your prosperity. Ananyarhai ennudal. She cannot be compared to anybody else. That will be an anitima comparison. She just fits him, fits fits him. தேவருக்கு சம்பத்தாய் இருக்கும். She will be a priceless possession to the Lord. இவ்விரண்டு ஸ்லோகங்களும் சேர்ந்தே பொருள்படுவதால் பதவரை சேர்த்து எழுதப்பட்டது. That is with regard to 39 and 40. Here we have quotations Thiruvaimazhi 5:10-2, 10:10-6, 10:10-2, and Stotraratnam 13. வதுவை வார்த்தைகள் ஏறு பாய்ந்தது, மாயமாவினை வாய்ப்பிழந்தது, மதுவை வாக்குழலால் பிறவை பிறந்த முகம் பிணைந்த குழலும், அதுநிது உதுவென்ன நாவென்ன வல்லை என்னையும் செய்கை நெய்விக்கும், முழுவை முதற்கோடை உன்னை என்று தலைப்பீர்கள். So he is the primordial being. So I bow my head at your feet. And you have done so many adventure feats. So you have, in order to get married to Nappinai, he had to control 7 bulls, sturdy bulls. He killed the Kuvalayapita elephant. He also killed the crocodile while the elephant tried to save him. So you are killing the bull for Nappinai's hand, ripping the jaws of the monster's heart, Keshi, called Keshi. Your rasa play with the sweets of typhoid gopi. These are hard to describe as thus and thus your many actions in me. Oh, first cause of the universe, and my life guide. எனக்கு ஆறாவதாய் எனது ஆவியை இன்றுயிரை மணக்காராமை மன்னி உண்டிட்டாய் இனி ஒன்றொழிவாய், உனக்காயா நேரத்து புண்டரீக செங்கனிவாய், உனக்கேற்கும் கோலமலைப்பாமி கண்பா கண் என் அன்பே. So he is my soul, he is my life, he is the unending sweet experience. He he saved the earth from destruction. And the young boy has a beautiful lotus-like eye. So my sweet Lord, my life, my soul, you have drunk my insatiably. Now go on drinking me. O Kaya-hued Lord. Kaya-hued, I told you the flower, the color, the dark colored flower with lotus eyes and coral lips, the perfect match for lotus eyes. Oh my Lord. மாயம் செய்யேல் என்னை உன் திருமார்வத்து மாலை நங்கி வாசம் செய் பூங்குழலார் திருவானை நின்னானை கண்டார் நேசம் செய்து உன்னோடு என்னை உயிர் வேறின்றி ஒன்றாகுவே பூசம் செய்யாது கொண்டால் என்னை கூவிக்கொள்ளாய் என்பது. We saw it earlier, no? From the previous page, we saw this. என்னை கூவிக்கொள்ளாய் என்பது. When will you call me to the permanent abode? Very good. மாயம் செய்யேல் அன்னை உன் திருமார்வத்து மாலை நன்றி. Don't trick me. That's what we thought. Don't apply trick on me. வாசம் செய் பூங்குழலால் திருவானை நின்னானை கண்டார். The order that has been given by the happily married that data out of pray do not trick me, I swear upon the fair lady of the lotus, residing on your chest and upon you. Take note, you openly made love and blended into my soul. Alas, now you must call me. Vedapahara Gurupataka Daitya Pidadi Apad Vimochana Magishta Palapradani Konya Prajapati Paripataka Adotakena Sachivas Pariswa. The Lord Brahma, the creator and also the destroyer, the God of destruction, and Shiva, were saved by some various bad experiences. But this is so the water from the divine feet of the Lord, when it comes to the head of Lord Shiva, and then Bhagirath worships the ancestors with this river, and he protects, Lord Shivanarayana protects both the creator and the destroyer.
स्वादयन्निह सर्वेषाम् त्रय्यन्तार्थम् सुदुर्ग्रहम् स्तोत्रयामास योगीन्द्रः तम् वन्दे यामुनाह्वयम् नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः नमो नमो यामुनाय यामुनाय नमो नमः यत्पदाम्भोरुहध्यान विध्वस्ताशेषकल्मषः वस्तुतामुपयातोऽहम् यामुनेयम् नमामि तम्
Srimad Krishna Samatvaya Namo Yamuna Sunave Yat Kataksha Ekalakshanam Sulabha Sridhara Sada Namaha Yamuna Pada Abja Venubhihi Pavita Atmane Vidita Akshila Vedyaya Gurave Vidita Atmane
कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः।